Okay, let's take a look at the radius. The radius from a proximal and distal standpoint, no problem. Okay, the proximal radius has this nice kind of scooped out proximal epiphysis. We call that the head of the radius. The distal epiphysis of the radius ends in this little pointy sticky down thing, and we call that pointy sticky down thing the styloid process. Okay, so how do we tell if we're looking at right or left? Well, once we find the proximal and the distal end, now we have to find where the ulna is going to attach. So the ulna is going to attach opposite to the styloid process. If I rotate this a little bit, you'll see this notched out region. This notched out region is where the head of the ulna is going to sit. The ulna is the medial bone. This is the lateral bone. That makes this now a right radius. So the only features we really have to identify are the head of the radius, which is going to attach here to the capitulum or the lateral condyle of the humerus. Underneath the head, I have my neck region. Then you'll see you have this sticky out thing, if you will. That's your radial tuberosity. That's going to be a point of insertion for the bicep brachii, which is going to allow the radius to supinate over the ulna. And then we don't have anything to find until we get to the distal end, and we find our styloid process, and we find our ulnar notch. And that's the radius, at least the features that we need to know for lab. Head, neck, radial tuberosity, styloid process, ulnar notch. And there's your radius.